My name is Miss Smith.
Yes,
What is
hello.
your name?
My name is Miss McCarthy. Thank you for having me here today.
Yes, thank you so much for coming in to interview. We will be figuring out this job for you and putting you in a position.
I
Do you have any experience?
some supervisor experience. Not much. I worked at a Dunkin' Donuts, and I was the supervisor there. And there was only a couple people.
Okay, cool. So, do you have proof of this work experience so that I can do a reference check and make sure that everything is all good with your paperwork and everything? What happens is we will send that out and then get it back and make sure that you are all good and ready to be a good fit for this job. Then we will talk about the schedule and all the little changes that need to be made in order for it to work well with you and work perfectly for you. So you will need to tell me what all shifts you are available so that we can tweak it and match it up to you. Thirdly, we do need to talk about disciplinary policy. This just means if any situation comes up of a more negative nature, that we talk about what happens then and what happens, whether it's a sit down or a termination or a suspension even, maybe just a slap on the wrist, but we will have to talk about figuring all that out. So are you comfortable with that?
Oh,
Do you
yes.
think you can do that?
I do believe that those job duties, responsibilities would be within my purview. I could take care of those. And I'm good with people, so any issues that come up, I'm sure I can handle them. And if not, I'm sure you'll be there to help and support me.
Okay, so we do have a health benefits package that includes dental, vision, and life insurance. So, do you prefer to be on the front lines or work
under my husband's health insurance, but with health prices being what they are, I think both of us having coverage would be the way to go.
Yes, okay. But just to let you know, the benefits package does start very quickly, and it will continue through 6 months. So, that on the 7th month, it will start again and go through a new period. I will warn you as well that there is a probationary period just before you are officially hired in case anything does happen. You probably will be terminated very quickly and easily. However, it should be fine. You should be successful and everything should work out okay. It's just something we need to let you know. Do you have any other questions?
No, I completely understand about the probation period, and I suspect that I will do fine and that will be no problem. Oh, what about parking? Do I pay for parking or?
Yes, so you do have to pay for parking yourself. I know that it is pretty expensive through the city. However, our company does have a discount rate so that it is lowered a little bit because I know it is very expensive. And yeah, I know it is still expensive even with the discount, but we don't really have any say in it.
Understandable. I guess that's one thing I have to take care of myself. Okay, thank you for having me. I appreciate meeting you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you for having me.